Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey guys, Jessica here. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and write a comment below. I would really appreciate it. Welcome to the stunning and calming Lago do Paraíso beach in Cear. The Lago Paraíso is a very popular ecotourism destination near the city of Maracanaú in the state of Cear. It's a natural lake and an area with lush tropical forests and a wide range of activities for visitors to enjoy. On the way here, we could see some of the beautiful landscapes Cear has to offer, and of course the amazing beaches. As we walked along the beach, I couldn't believe how blue and clean the water was. The sun was setting, and the sound of the waves was even more beautiful during that moment. Stunning. I saw people swimming, standing up paddleboard, kayaking, and a lot of locals just walking around and catching up. It was an incredible sight. There are also plenty of shops and restaurants to choose from. I especially liked the shacks on the beach. They had plenty of snacks and drinks to enjoy while I watched the sunset. It was an amazing walk. I have experienced many different activities and amazing scenery in the beautiful state of Cear. I take the time to appreciate the beauty of my homeland. Thanks for joining me on my exploration. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more walking tours. See you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!